Now I want to show you how to use the keyframe tool, and this is going to be applicable to inserted stickers, photos, and also inserted videos. So this method can be used for all three of them. So I'll be using a sticker as a way to show you how this works. And the first thing you want to do is, other than adjusting the size of it and whatnot, is place it to the starting point of the video of where you want this to start moving. Then the duration section, how long do you want this to keep moving around on your video? So if you want it for the entire video, make sure this is video start and this is video end, or just set it to whichever part you want it to stop moving around. Now for the keyframe section. So what you're gonna do is look for this diamond option right here. And when you tap on it for the first time, this is your starting point. And you'll notice this little orange diamond right here is gonna appear where that bar is. So that's your starting point. Now to have this sticker or inserted item move on its own to start your keyframe setup here, you'll start by moving the timeline. So what you're saying now is moving this here is that from here to perhaps right here where the orange bar is, I want this to move down here. And when I let it go, you'll notice another diamond will appear. And you'll just keep doing this until you've made it to where you want it to stop. So this is kind of like making your item move on its own, and that's the keyframe here. Again, this also applies to stickers, text even, and videos. I'll place it go up here, and you'll see when I'm done, it's gonna move on its own. Okay, so the key is to move the timeline first, then move the object to the next part. And I'll say here, it's gonna come here. And then finally to the end, it's going to appear right to the top corner here. And then once you're done, you'll notice that you have these diamond points here, these diamond here. And when you play it, you'll get this here. You'll see the sticker is moving on its own, and that's how you would go about using the keyframe. Again, this is a beginner's guide and 2024 update of the app. Like and sub. Let's move on to the next part.